Why, hello there. Hello, 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 hello. Let's change to something a little more peaceful. Hold on. Yeah, we'll do Stardew Valley OST. Why not? Yeah. Yeah, this one's pretty chill time. I think we'll do that one. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Why, hello, hello. So today, I'm saying, yeah, let's screw Lamb King. I'm starting to get bored of it. I want to work on something I find a little more fun, and I tend to like 2D action RPGs a lot more. So let's just work on that. I think I had something already that I was working on before I start continuing with it. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's looking all right. So there's a lot to be desired here. Quite a lot. That bad though. All right. There's definitely a lot to be desired here. Doom, 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 doom. So what do we do here? Maybe I'll make this a little like Vampire Survival and screw it. I don't mind making a ripoff. That game is hella fun. Well, let's just make it so you can attack, I guess? I don't know. And then you get, so you can attack, and you get things that augment the attacks so that your attacks do more things. Yeah. Yep. I think that's fine. I'm okay with that. Am I gonna do parrying? That's something I'll consider later. Let's get the basic functionality down. All right. Boom, 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 boom. So I think if I'm gonna make these things take damage, I'll give them knockback, some kind of blink, I guess, so they're invulnerable, and then keep going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. think that'd be good. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so I can move around, take a roll. Boom, boom. Right. Okay. Let's set up some colliders, I guess. Start with that. I kind of get signals now, I think. That'd be a good start. What did I do? You know what? Let's just start with, you know, git add, git commit, dash m, I don't know. Yeah, push. Oh, it looks like I made a few things here. Okay. I mean, fine. It's fine. I need to figure out how I can abstract out the behavior, I think. The sprites. Bum, 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 bum. Boom, boom, boom. They do have a few states right now, if I remember correctly. Like, they're patrolling and chasing. Take a peek at that. Did I do close thing? Oh my god. Game. Let's open this up in VS Code. Alright. Right. Let's just close all tabs. Close all others. Close others. Don't save. Okay. Alright, so we have... Right. If not target, transition, patrolling. Oh, and this should be like... I should be able to shortcut this. I could make it like a switch or something. I don't know. This should be fine though. I'll worry about that later. Yep, these get a step further away and they stop patrolling. And they stop chasing, they start patrolling. Yeah. Oh, chasing. They have different chase speeds. Pretty good. Alright. I think the next thing that needs to be done is we need some collisions. So when they collide with the player, they should be able to go through the player. I think that's fine. But when they do collide, it should send a message saying, hey, player's hurt now. Player should have some HP too. So let's do all that. The player does have a collider. Right. Little thing. This little thing. Let's make it match the player a little bit more. So tiny. Okay, I think it's fine. Just leave it like that. And then we'll have inside the collision 2D, maybe we can make like... Let's do add child node. This one could just be a node, I guess. I don't know. Node. Throw it up here. Collision shape can go inside. I mean, we could just have like a hurt box or something, right? So when this collides, let's think about the process here. When a player collides with an enemy, I want there to be an event that's sent to a script that would maintain the player's health. This is its own component, then I could use this between many other things. Right. Okay, yeah, I think that makes sense. So I can have it as a child. We'll call this, I don't know. I don't know, health box. So then I could attach a script to this that would manage the health of whatever is attached to it. And then this could just keep track of the total health. Whenever a collision happens, it'll send a message to the health box saying, hey, you. Wait, can it send it to a child? Or does it have to be the other way around? Child entered. I'm just gonna click it. I can't go to child boxes.
Hello and welcome to episode.
Help. I want to make this into a component though. The node experiencing the change state emits a signal, blah 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 blah. Doo-doo. Or maybe the collider itself can be. No, that doesn't sound good either, though. Oh, maybe I need to not make the player. Hold on. Maybe the players just shouldn't be. Take a peek at this. Player GD. Maybe player shouldn't be an area 2D. Maybe it should just be a node. Node 2D. Right? Right. I'll change this guy over to be change type. Node 2D. Okay. Okay, and then this guy can happen the other way around. We'll just call this change type. This would be area 2D. Right. Cool. And this guy, you. Alright, your transform. Nope. This transform is gonna reset now. Boom. Can I make the size a little bit bigger? Why is it rotated? The hell? It's kind of weird. Okay. Alright, do that. Slide you down a little bit. Make you just a little bit fatter. There we go. I think that's good. That's a good boy. We need a layer too. Resource. Yeah. All right. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, brother. Collision. There we go. I need to make the layers now. Edit layer names. So layer 1 can be player, enemy, general terrain, I guess. I guess player weapon, it will be another one. Most immediate things that pop to mind. Okay. So you are on layer 1 and you read input from terrain, enemy. Yeah. The weapon you do not. Yeah, there we go. I mean, I guess there are multiple players, you can't walk through each other, right? That probably makes sense. Okay. We have collision shape 2D. Bam. Componentes. I already have a hitbox component. Whoa, wait. Hitbox component. Health component. Do have a health component already. I'm just not using them, I guess. Interesting. This should be an area 2D. Okay. I mean, I don't know why I have 2 of these. Alright. Hitbox component, get out of here. Let me rename this. Let me fix your name. Your name's a little funny. There we go. Componentes. Alright. Type label. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay. Okay. Get rid of that. This shows collision shape 2D. Yep. It's just DG. Delete all. Okay. Yep. 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 Alright. Okay, cool. That works again. Let's bring in the sword that I have. Let's go to blah 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 blah. Character. You should. I'll go in that folder probably. Yeah, in there. Alright. Cool. Create new folder. Weapon. And here we're gonna I need to add an existing sprite in here. To do that, I need to go to Slam King. Sprites. Essential assets. Big old sword. Was I using 3? Yeah, I was using 3. There we go. Now we have a weapon. Make a scene for it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, characters. These are all just scenes. Right. Create new folder. We'll just call it scenes. Because boom. Yeah, that made sense. But yeah, put the scripts in the scenes folder. Characters in scenes, levels in scenes. Okay, now we're talking. Now let's make a new folder. We'll call this weapon. New scene. I don't know, we'll call it sword. At child node, we want sprite 2D. This one will just be the sword itself. Okay. It's fine. Fine. I think we're good with that. Boom, 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 boom. This one's gonna need... Actually, this should be a... No, I'm just gonna do it as a... Boom. Ba, na, 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 na. Yeah, I'll just make it an area 2D, this sword itself. Let's just do that. Let's keep it simple for now. Area 2D. Okay. So now you need a collider. 2D collision shape 2D. Right? And now you need shape. Let's give you one of these guys. Slide the X down a little. Slide that up a little. Slide it up, up, up. Scale. Oh, not scale. I want the position to go down. Size down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, slide you up. X down a little. Okay, that should be fine for now. And then your collision is gonna be layer, I think it was 2? 2 is player weapon, right? mask. So this one should not. This one doesn't need to scan anything, I think. Does it? Not for now. For now, we'll just let it go through walls and stuff. Later on, if I really want, I can make a collide with those two. Alright. Next. Does this even need a script? I don't think so. Because the player is going to be 100% interacting with it. Let's see, down right, right up, up down. Okay. So it's always going counterclockwise, the sword. Which is fine, I guess. So this already has the attacking script. This player is gonna need to have a weapon associated with it. Player. Let's do... We'll do an export. Export. Weapon? Could be an area 2D. Alright, so let's give him a weapon. Give my guy a weapon. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, where'd it go? Oh. Last name, player. Hi is a global script. Huh? Oh, wait. Let's just quit out. Player GD. Right, there we go. Okay, there we go. Now we're good. Okay, so this needs to be like... equipped weapon. Should this just be like... should it just be part of the scene? I don't know. Hey Micro, how you doing again? Appreciate the raid. How y'all doing? I'm over here working on something a little bit different today. I was getting a little bored of Jump King, so working on action RPG instead. Doing good though. Hope y'all doing alright too. What'd you just get done streaming? There's a little bit of what I got so far. I pretty much have a state machine going here. So if you get close to the enemy, they'll start chasing you. But if you're not, they'll just be patrolling a small area. So they kind of do it with the random seed, so they're just kind of moving randomly. Yeah, is what I got so far. Right now I'm currently working on getting the weapon to come out now. I see. Getting the camera to collide. Oh, you're trying to get the camera to collide with like walls? So it doesn't clip through. Sounds like that might be a little rough. Let's see. Go to the main. Yeah. So on the player, I need to add. I'm just gonna add the sword for now. Screw it. Okay. Camera moving too fast and colliding with convex. Oh, right. Yeah. This is why I don't do 3D. There's a lot of complications you don't have to face in 2D with it. It's pretty crazy. What kind of game is the 3D game you're making? Is it like a shooter or something, or kind of platforming? I always thought those platforming ones that have physics were really fun to play. Boom. Okay, slide that up there. This should be... Okay, cool. So when the player presses attack, I kind of want the state machine to move the sword. N64 Zelda type. Whoa. That's pretty cool. That's also a huge project. Even if you don't even plan on doing much. You do so much in that game. Yeah, going for that Ocarina of Time. Majora's Mask is pretty good too. Attacking. Sweet. Okay, sword. Let's see, I have my attacking script. Okay. The animation's not playing, we return to idle. Sure. But when this enters, I want the sword to be active. An old demo. Do you have it online anywhere? Kind of curious. Like a demo or something? Animation is playing. Sword. So I gotta make this not be visible. Enter. Extend state. State. In the haunted PS1 demo disc 2022 Beak Nighted, but I don't even know what that is. Wait, haunted PS1 demo disc. Haunted PS1 demo disc? Like, hold on. What is this? You said Benighted? Okay. Okay, hold on. be... Hmm. Oops. I was... Would it be up here then? By this one. Oh. Oh shit. That's pretty cool. What'd you do for the graphics? Like, how did you make the graphics yourself? That's pretty awesome. This looks so Ocarina of Time, by the way. That's sweet. You nailed the feel of Ocarina of Time in this one. It gives me those vibes. That's pretty cool. You're doing a similar system where it's just like dungeon crawling and puzzle solving with a bunch of different tools. Okay. Enter, exit, right. Enter. Funk. Exit. Oops. So here, what I want to do, I just want to make the sword not visible anymore. Bit more story heavy. Yeah. I mean, that's good. Yeah, I mean, like, Ocarina of Time did have a story, but it was pretty light throughout the game. I mean, that's a lot of Zelda games, right? It's just Ganon's back, rescue Zelda. All right, now go through all these dungeons. Yeah, it would be pretty cool if there was something a little like that with a little more story in it. Agreed. So we'll call super just in case we ever want to implement anything. Hey Bear, what's up? You release your game? How do we get the sword? Right now this is out of the state machine. Tax. We want to get the errant, the equipped weapon of the player. Release is on Monday. Sweet. Bet you're excited, maybe a little nervous. Composing microtonal music. Damn, you do a lot of art. Did you do like school for music or something too, or? You seem to dabble in a little bit of everything. Message failed to send. King Gizzard got me into microtonal stuff with Flying Microtonal Banana. What? What is that? Hey Snow, what's up? Flying Microtonal Banana? What is this? All I know is banana phone. Am I behind? What is this? I don't even know what microtonal music is. Notes between the notes. Got it. Outside the general scales that we use. I guess that would make music sound a little trippy then. I can kind of hear that too. It's like the instruments are all just slightly out of tune. It gives them a very authentic kind of feel while sounding trippy at the same time, I guess. Arabian music made in Scotland. Sounds about right. That's pretty good. Are there games that have this in it? Or is that from a game too? I don't know. Sounds like it would be. Yeah. I mean, that's the first thought that comes to mind, that kind of music. When I hear that. Transition. Alright, what was I doing? I gotta make my sword. Let's say... How do we reference this? Want to pop out, we have a reference to player, maybe? State. Let's see. State. Parent node is get parent node state. Parent node is this. State machine is self second parent node. Got it. Parent node is that. Okay, so I want to get like parent node and sword, I guess. So we'll say player attack is enter parent node dot get component. I get, wait, what was it again? Get node. Sword. This needs to be like equip weapon or something. A little bow, yeah. Just a little dumpling. Some people tend to think it's a little bit in the poop category, but you know, at least you're seeing it for what it is. And I appreciate that. Let's say bar weapon equals, or it's going to be a area 2D. Weapon equals that one. We'll say weapon dot enabled, or I don't know. Thank you. I was thinking I need to improve on the, you know, little bow. Make it look a little nicer, but I think it has a little style the way it is. I made it in like 2 minutes. Using a sprite. You know, it does what it does. How do I set this visible or invisible? Let's see. Visibility. Yeah, I'll just make it invisible for now. I don't know. Oh, maybe I can have a weapon class that can just enable or disable it. And this is my programmer art, all right? You want to see the rest of my programmer art? This is the rest of it. This bat is just like a face. It's too good. And this is supposed to be a mouse. But you know, it's just what it is. Oh, why my door just opened by itself? Must be haunted. Alright, I had to close my door. And the mouse? Yeah, it's like twerking when it walks. It just came out that way. Yeah, I was gonna be making more characters. I was like, I was just taking requests from like some people I talk to normally, and like, yeah, make this person a bat. Yeah, make that person a mouse. So I did. They hated it. It was great. Yeah. So far I got like, I got rolling. Then I need to get the attacking to work now with the sword. I need a bunny. Agreed. Bunny is on the list. Bunny. I'll make a placeholder for it. I'll make one of those a bit later. Let's see. Usually they come out really terrible, and then I just leave them terrible, as you can see. Hold on. We got enemies. Let's make a new... This definitely is probably the wrong way to approach making the enemies, but I mean, it's fine. I probably shouldn't be making a new one for every one of these. But I'll refactor later. Make a bunny as a placeholder, so I don't forget to do it. Bam. It's the charm. And a skeleton. Yeah. Let's go. Scene. Skeleton. Got some art to work on. It's got charm. Hey, well, I guess that's all that matters, right? Yeah, the blob is a little bland compared to the rest of them, but yeah, they look kind of funny just flying around and moving. Yeah. Let me see if I could just make this sword work now. Is there any way to like completely disable a component without deleting it, like a node without deleting it? Is it literally called disable? Hold on. Player attack. That. No. Yeah, so I want to make it both the sprite invisible, and I want to make the collider not work when it's disabled. But maybe there's nothing like that. All right, collider would still work though, right? I would have to also disable collider. Okay. So weapon dot sprite 2D. So I could do some like maybe let's say weapon dot sprite 2D. Yeah, I would have to reference that. Is it even a thing to do it like this? disable equals true? No. How do we do this? I don't even know.
Snowminx just followed.
Hey, Snow. Thanks for the follow, by the way. Really appreciated. Next time around, I'll make the bunny on stream. Yeah, I'll do the skeleton too. They'll all have their shitty charm. Yeah, this is just like no expected identifier. Let's do around word. Oops, let's go to this one, lead to that. Let's say get node. This will be sprite 2D. That disabled equals true. Okay. And this will have also. I'll just worry about the sprite for now. Let's get the sprite to work and I can get the other one to work too. Probably the worst way to do it, but hey. Alright, so I want this to be enabled and then on exit I want it to be disabled. So let's try that. Disabled true, and then we'll do this one. Whoops. This one will be false. I'll need to set the... Yeah, the Stardew is always pretty chill. It's always a nice time. Oh shit, it blew up. Sprite 2D. Set index disabled on Sprite 2D with value type bool. Okay, hold on. Oh, visible. Whoops. Visible? I don't know. This is probably a terrible way to do this. Yep, that did it. Nice. Visible. These need to flip. False. This one's true. Okay, cool. Alright, so this should disappear. Cool, that works. Nice. Now I gotta actually place it. Yeah. I don't know, these indie game soundtracks are all so good. Got Hollow Knight, Stardew Valley, Undertale. They're all just like really good. What's that one? Let's see. Elden Ring Lofi beats. I don't mind me some of that. Yeah, Lofi remixes on a lot of stuff. It's just really nice. I was also listening to the Final Fantasy VII ones. The funny thing is I don't even really remember the soundtrack for Elden Ring. Oh, let me lower that just a little bit. There we go. That's pretty good. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yep, this is the kind of music that you can just kind of bam, go hard on whatever you're working on. It's not very distracting and it just puts you in that mood. Alright, so this does that. How long have I been coding for? Probably around 10 years. Yeah. This code has so much smell in it, it's crazy. But we like to roll in the mud. Let's call this one enable. If I can spell. Enable weapon. Oh, we could just say toggle weapon. Pass in a bool. This would be like is active. And this should be a boolean. Alright, so if this is weapon.get node, let me just go up and just copy it, right? That would be the easiest thing to do. Is active. Okay, so I can just replace this whole line. Right? You gotta give yourself a little spaghetti to work with. Toggle weapon. Is active? Okay. And we give it toggle weapon. True. Alright, and then what I would want to do here is weapon. What the hell? Okay. This one would be collision shape 2D. And this has like how long have you been coding for us now? Been around for a bit? I'm still kind of new to all this GD script, and I don't know a lot of stuff around it, the libraries. It's very unfamiliar. I don't even do Python normally, so it's all pretty different. Disabled. Cool. What do you work with normally? You do like full stack dev, or you actually do the game dev? Hobbyist 10 years. That was a pretty long time to be a hobbyist. You make any games that you actually push somewhere? Go web services. Got it. Yeah, I'm pretty much a C# guy. What I've done for most of my career. $5 years. Wow, that's a long time. Hey, as long as you're having fun though, that's all that matters. Disabled. This would be the opposite of that, I guess. Okay. Let's visible collision shapes. Let's see. Uh-oh. False. There we go. Yeah, lifelong project. Sounds about right. Hey, maybe one day you planning on deploying it on Steam whenever you actually finish it? If it finishes? And what kind of game is it? I'm a little curious. Yeah, that all works now. We gotta swing this now. Swing it, swing it. I need to do this in a way that can be weapon independent, but for now I'm gonna make it messy as hell. I'm just gonna do it in the attack script itself. Survival RPG. Is that kind of like hold on, like Don't Starve or something like that? That's like that's the first thing that comes to mind. Fallout is another one that comes to mind, but I don't know if that would be considered a survival RPG. Maybe. Okay. Enter. So we'll say toggle weapon. So if the animation is playing, then is not playing, then you return. It's a pretty easy flag. Keep it like that. Else, I think I want to rotate the sword. But I need to make this move a little fluidly. It needs to rotate like half a circle. Player. It needs to rotate around the point. Where's the sword? Scenes, enemy, player, weapons, sword. Okay. Have it open, of course. No zombies. Okay, that's nice. 7 days to die. I don't think I've played any of those. Hold on. Zombie game. Got it. When you say fantasy, is it like like the kind of fantasy that is Skyrim? Or is it a little more Eastern based? Is there fantasy analog standing in for zombies? No idea. Sprite 2D, animation. Feel the change. Wait, is this the origin? Eastern based. Okay, got you. You got the gobs, the goblins. Okay, let's do that. Let's say we're gonna change the origin me like down there, I guess. And then if I just go like transform, rotation. No, it's still doing it around the center point. How do I change that center point? Wait. Yeah, center point is still just there. You can have dragons? Can't do an Eastern one without dragons. Boom, 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 boom. I forgot how you do this. Wait. You set this down here. Am I just gonna rotate this, the animation itself? Okay. Could do that. Does a collision shape necessarily need to be part of an area 2D. Oh yeah, it does for the collision layers. I'm trying to. Do any of you know how to do this thing where you change the origin point? Bunny Dragon. That's a pretty good one. You got to do it now. Absolutely have to do it. Hold on. I've done this before. Give me a second. Whoops. Slam King. Done this in here. Let's see how I did it. Well, I mean, I want them to rotate together. Let's see. I know I did it in here. I'll just see what I did. Okay, so we got the levels, we got the player, weapons, sword. What's this one? Okay, so I have Sprite 2D up here, and then there's a base area 2D. Wait. And then if I do this, yeah, I kind of wanted to change the origin point of one and I guess have the other one follow it. That makes sense. I mean, this did work though. Wait, what did I do? What did I do here? So in the sword, maybe I did something in the updates. Get out of here, it's so big. All right. Ready. Click swing, swinging. Wait, how does the... I'm so confused. Can the area be a child of the sword sprite? It seems like, from what I've seen... Hold on. Quick open. Can I just open the previous project? Hold on. Alright, let's quit. Let me just open up the other one again. That's how you do it? Well, if that's how you do it, then maybe it just works then? Hold on. This keeps going to the other screen. I guess it, by default, chooses another monitor, the main monitor. Alright, so for the sword, you said you do the area be a child node of the sword sprite. Oh. Okay, I think I see what you mean. Let's just make an area 2D then. Oops. Come out here. And you could be sword box. Put the collision shape in here. And this one could just be a node, I guess. Node. So kind of like this, maybe. Slide that in there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Thank you. Alright. So I need to refactor the way it finds the sword now, which is fine. Parent node, get node, sword. And then we have weapon that get node, sprite 2D. Invisible, that get node. Oops. Let's say sprite 2D again. Sprite 2D. That get node. Oh, I could do a path, right? Right. Sprite 2D. Oops. Sword box, and then slash collision shape 2D. Right? I think so. Alright, what's wrong with those 2 dots? Nice. Only identifier attribute. Identifier attribute access and subscription access can be used as assignment target. Oh, whoops. Disabled. Okay. Let's watch this break in real time. Parent node, get node, sword. Okay, we didn't even get that far. Weapon equals parent node, get node, sword. So parent node is player, get node, sword. Okay. Oh, we got the node sword, but it crapped out. Wait, what was there? No, oh, not area 2D. Haha, rip. Node 2D. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, what's your problem now? Oh, it's node. Okay. Nice. Okay, now it's just not appearing, but toggle weapon. So now we're in the sword. The sword has a sprite 2D. Visible is active. Sprite 2D. Yeah. I mean, that should be active. What am I doing wrong? Let's see. Oh, you can just convert it that easily. Okay, so we have get node, sword. Parent node, get node, sword. Weapon. We have the weapon as a node. And then we have weapon, get node, sprite 2D, which looks like it should work. And it was working before. Let's just do that for now. Let me just step back for a second. Go back to the player. Wait, what? Why is it over there? Oh. Oh shit. Maybe maybe I should make it a node 2D. Yeah, let's make a node 2D. We'll make this could probably be a node. Maybe I should just be consistent. I don't know. Whatever. For now, I'll make the sword a node 2D. Change type, node 2D. Okay. Now the player is gonna have weapon is node 2D. Hold on, wait. That's tag. But this should also be node 2D. Whatever. Let's go in. We're going in. I didn't change that to the right thing. That was why it wasn't working. Got it. Okay, cool. Cool. So that just works now. True, false. Toggle weapon, false. So this should start invisible. Alright. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Yeah. What I did essentially was I made 2 frames. One for mouth closed, one for mouth open. Then I got this little app via YouTube. Via YouTube. You get that one, and then you can just set it up. It's pretty easy to set up too. It just has states. So when you're talking, it picks up your microphone. When you stop it, it goes back to the other state. Pretty cool. And then you could just capture an OBS. Oh shit. They're jittering. Yep. Capture an OBS, get rid of the green in the back, and then you're good. If you do streaming, that is. Oh. Damn, my back is cracking. Okay. Now I need to actually rotate the sword. Maybe we'll get this done before I have to go. So we need to... Yeah, it's been amazingly simple having a state machine. Not having to worry about all these if states. I do need to worry about other things though, like when character takes damage. I need to think if I want to do anything else with it. Like make them recoil, but for now I'm just gonna, whatever. They're gonna blink or something. I'm just gonna give them like a component or something to manage health, and if they take damage, they'll just blink, irrelevant of state. So figure that one out as we go, but it can get pretty complicated really quick. Yeah, sure. Have a good night, Snowminx. Yeah, I mean, I have this code is in a public GitHub too, so I can share it if you guys are interested at a later date. Okay, update. We want to rotate the sword. Let's make a thing called Good night. Rotate. Func. Let's make a function for it. Swing sword. Maybe I should pass the delta in. Whoops. Delta. If I can spell it right. Delta. Okay. So pass. We'll do swing, sword, delta. Okay. So in here, the swinging was a little... I remember there's some pi mathematics here. But maybe I don't have to do any of that. I'll just be like, hey, we're gonna have a swing speed. Let's just do an export. Export var swing speed. It's gonna be a float. Then we'll go down and then we'll apply that in here. And then we'll do weapon that. We need to get the node sprite 2D. I just need to write something and have it accessible from the top, I guess. So I can stop doing get node on it. Let me do that now. I keep referencing it and it's getting annoying. Do that. Next one. Delete that one out. We'll say var weapon sprite is sprite 2D. Let's do paste here and then weapon sprite equals that. Okay. Weapon sprite dot visible. Okay. Weapon sprite rotate. Here we go. Weapon sprite dot rotation. Do I need to use degrees? Probably not. And then plus. I need to go minus because it's counterclockwise. So we'll do minus equals delta times weapon. Did I have speed? Oh, swing speed. Okay. And we'll just say swing speed is like, it needs to be pretty fast, I think. So let's do like 1000. And then this is not resetting the orientation to any direction, so it's gonna be weird, but it's fine. If it works. Weapon sprite. Invalid set index visible on nil. So weapon that get node, weapon sprite, sprite 2D. Weapon sprite equals that. Why would that be nil? So we called the... Oh, I see. I called it a little too early. That needs to be the last thing that happens. I think. This could be the last thing that happens. Okay. Weapon sprite, get node, sprite 2D. Try it again. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, we got something going. Okay. So let's start it off in the direction that it's facing. Alright, what direction are we facing in? Do we know? Animated sprite, sprite direction. We do have a direction. Very good. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to set the rotation based on the direction. So let's think about it. Paint. Let's say we got... Okay. This is the player here. If they're facing down, we kind of want to going counterclockwise. So we want to start the weapon on this side. Give it a nice little thing. That'll be the weapon. Player's looking down. Weapon starts on the left, and I want it to swing over to the right. So this down would be... I think the 0 point is on the right side. And then the left side is I. So this would be like... Down is pi. Left is pi plus pi and a half. Zero right would be half of pi. And up would be 0. Maybe. Hey, how's it going? The guy that I made streams, not actually playing games today. Making them instead. What do you know? Rooftops and alleys. Rooftops and alleys. It's a parkour game, what the hell? And made it Unreal too. Oh shit. That's pretty cool. What, you could play as a pigeon? What is going on? This reminds me of that one game that came out a long time ago that was also parkour. But it's like that game on steroids. I can't remember the name of it though. Oh shit. The pigeons to get you to areas you're not good enough to get to normally. That's hilarious. Here, you suck at the game. We'll give you a pigeon. Now you have wings. Go wherever you please. That's pretty cool. You played it already? That's pretty sweet. Down. Make a new funk. You got the early access. You going in hard. Set, sword, rotation. Okay, direction is parent direction. Var direction is gonna be a... no, this is a... I forget, do you just have string like that? Shit. I forgot. Okay. Is that or this guy too? Yeah. Yeah, I feel like it plays out a little bit if you do too many of them at one time. Because a lot of it's pretty repeat. Unreal Life. You don't know what it is. Just amazing reviews. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff on Steam. Like, you'll never hear of it, but it has tons of reviews. in real life. Story rich indie. Locked apartment door. All she could see was a town she could not remember. A girl, a traffic light, and their puzzling adventure. A traffic light? I like the way it feels. Yeah, usually all it takes for a story game is to just invoke a little mystery and it already kind of pull you in. And this does it, I think, pretty well right away. Compare the past with the present. It's like spot the difference between what's like one of those difference finding in the pictures. I remember those games that you have to compare two pictures left and right. And I'm so bad at those. Like incredibly bad. Yeah, I don't see how this would be similar to Dead Cells. That game is just full on action. Are you going to leave me here again? No. It feels like it has a little bit of that brain funkiness like Amori does. But I don't know. Never played it. That's just something that comes to mind. Yeah. Yeah, this kind of game is like you just want to stop. Don't show me a live stream of it. No, don't do that. Why would you do that? Yeah. If direction is down, then we want to set the degrees to be the left side, which is animated. Wait. Oh, weapon sprite. That rotation equals pi. Let's see if that works. All right, let's try. Nope, not working. I didn't call a function. I didn't call it, did I? Set sword rotation. I did not. Set sword rotation. There we go. Okay, pi is actually... Rooftops and Alleys feels like the type of game that will end up getting played on the left side of TikTok, where the right side is an unrelated stolen TikTok someone found. Sounds about right. Oh, let me turn back on some music. Or I could imagine that people will just do that on the left side, on the right side, people doing the actual parkour. Let's do plus pi divided by 2. If direction equals up. So 0 is actually the top. Weapon sprite dot rotation. Yeah. It looks super smooth too, which is pretty incredible for that kind of game. No, this needs to be equals. What am I at here? I'm at pi. No, we need to start at half pi. Let's start at, oops. Whoa, what the hell? Okay. Half of pi. Pi divided by 2. Two potentially lethal hobbies. Yeah. You might want to be a little careful. Okay. That's starting off in the right spot now. Sweet. Cool. That's doing it. I just need to do the other directions. If direction equals left. Left needs to start at the bottom, which is actually pi. Okay, and let's copy these and paste that down there. Boom, 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 boom. All right, this one's gonna right. And then right side, facing right, 0. Let's check it out. Oh shit. It's backwards. I'm an idiot. They're actually backwards. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Buffoon. Left. Right. Okay. Nice. Nice. Really? One day after it's available, somebody added the San Andreas guy? The modding community takes no breaks. They need to have it their way. It's how it is. It's hilarious. Okay, we got it. We got the sword rotation. Now we need to set the position. Sword. Transform. Position. Slide you up a little. Boom. How does that feel? Oh shit. Nice. I think okay, and then I need an offset. So -8. That'll be the origin position. And then we can offset it. Just a little bit. Weapon sprite rotation, pi. Export var weapon origin is going to be a vector 2, which is 0 and -8. Oh, whoops. What am I doing? Vector 2, which equals that. Okay. Second most recent mod, Toothless Pigeon. Why? Toothless Pigeon? Aren't they all toothless? How to Train Your Dragon. Not just the bird without teeth. Hmm. You think I am? Alright. Let me just do this. You do that one. Boom. Set this guy to be cool. Wait, didn't set it? Oh, right. The sword. Let's rename this to position. Set sword transform, I guess. Weapons, right. Position equals weapon origin plus. I don't know. We want it to be a little further. A little further to the. If you're facing down, it needs to be further down, so we need to add a little bit of Y to it. Plus vector 2, say 0, an extra 4 down. And we'll do that for this one too. Up is going to be 4. See if we could just find the balance here. Hong Kong. What the hell? They just made a city out of thin air. Oops. Okay, wait, this need to be left needs to be -4. That should just be an offset variable, but you know. Yeah, it's way too far. The hell? No, those buildings are slightly tall. Down needs to be -4. Up is, let's do like 2. Actually, let's just rename it offset. Var weapon offset float equals, just set it to 2. Weapon offset Yankee word. Oops. VP weapon offset. You should try it out. See how far your PC gets without blowing up. Do it again. Weapon offset. Okay, let's see. How busted is this? Oh yeah, it's busted. So weapon origin is that. Position is weapon origin. 0, -8. Let me make this a little extreme. Maybe I can see the difference a little bit more. Something about this is super wrong. Okay. Okay. That's like not even the right realm. The hell? Let's just do 0. Is this origin position even correct? Feels like it might be not. Yeah, origin is wrong. Okay, I see. Hold on. Let's just go over here. Let's find. Yeah, it's going counterclockwise. You couldn't see the front of the sprite very well for a bit. Eh. There's definitely a lot of things wrong with it right now. Right is forward. By the way, how's it going? Right, that's what I thought too. But then something weird happened. I probably have like a rotation set somewhere by default to a different one. How you doing, Ironic, by the way? How things going with you? Weapons, right. Position. I want to replace this with weapon dot position. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. Weapon. Oh, doesn't it have position? I thought this was base no TD with value. That index position with a value type vector 2. Hold on. I thought this was a vector 2. No TD. Wait, is it lowercase? Probably is. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay. Sweet. Yeah. My C sharp is rubbing off. I keep forgetting. It always gets me. It bites me right in the ass. Let's go up to this one. Let's replace it with like, I don't know, 2? Try that. Okay, this might need to go a little further. Let's try. Is this an export? I have it as a... Not an export. Okay. I think it should be 4 though. Alright. Try it again. That feels a little weird too. Player. Scene. We just run the player scene. These little guys running around throwing me off. Your snake case. I should have a snake too. Yeah. Great new scene. Thank you for the snake case mention. I'll make an enemy that's snake too. Okay, let's go back to player. Okay, attacking. Let's come here. Weapon offset. Okay, that feels weird. Let's do like, I don't know. Make it 10, make it extreme. Whoa. Up goes down. Up. I need up to go up. So up needs to be negative, right? Do I do that? Up is... Oh, no, I don't. Whoops. What idiot did this? Right needs to go right, and left needs to go negative. Okay. There we go. Now we need to actually slide it back a little. Let's do like 5. Okay. Yeah. Feels pretty good. Maybe slow down the swing a little bit. Oops. It feels a little clunky now. But it's a little more accurate to what I want it to do. Let me turn off the collider so I can actually look at it. Visible collision shapes. Boom, boom, boom. Not that scene. Let's come back over here. We'll go to the main scene, I guess. Fine. Maybe I need to set an X offset and a Y offset, but the bottom one seems a little funny. Whatever, I'll just leave it. We're good. No need to worry about it too much. 800 minus 8. It feels pretty good. 800. Hey, Mercury's still around. Minus 8. Yeah. I need to pull out this logic from the state, though, because this does not belong in the state. It belongs probably in the weapon. But it does do the thing. That's kind of nice. Yeah. Now I need to actually make it interact with enemies. One thing at a time, though. Yeah, I'm definitely enjoying this more than the platforming game. Lurking and working. Lurking and working. Alright. It's getting a little late. I need to start heading out. Gotta pick up my daughter. Take care. Let's do a raid. How about that? How you guys feeling about a raid? Let's push. Let's see who we got. Who's around? All right, let's just look for Godot, I guess. I don't know. Godot. Oops. Search. Same category. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Appreciate it. Enjoyed having you guys around. Let's see. Yeah, Rust. Search and filter. Can I do tag? Let's do Godot. Let's do a Godot tag. Level design. Armored core. That sounds pretty cool. How you guys feel? Armored core or card game dev? We pick between these two. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm gonna pick card game. Yeah. All right, it was a good one. Just kidding. It didn't work. Okay. We'll do the armored core. Wait, where is it? Where'd it go? Where you go? Godot. Alright, let's do this one then. Let's see if it works, you know? Nope. Can't do it. Maybe I'm too small. Mm, game dev co-working. Okay. Sounds alright. I'm just gonna do whatever works, man. Okay. Not working either. I'll try one more. 잠깐만. I think like these are kind of blocked. There are block that people do. Now let's see if this works. If it doesn't work, then yeah, I'm gonna just peace out. I gotta go. All right, see you guys. That was a good one.